This one is quite different, suitable for complex, dynamic environments where innovation is the key success factor. Of course, simple structure allows the same, but at a much smaller scale and simplicity. It's based on experts from different fields organized around ad hoc projects. Just imagine a creative advertising agency, some film production studio, and similar. For sure, such companies cannot rely on any type of standardization and formalization, rather pooling experts from different fields, based on the project outcome requirements and coordinating them, all based on mutual adjustments, since the situations might be novel for most of them. Description. Here, we are faced with a sort of a fluid structure, meaning the one that is frequently changing in order to execute multiple diverse projects. For example, imagine a film production company. To produce a movie like Avatar, you need a crew of specific actors, highly skilled technical professionals to create special effects, some sort of a campus where it will be filmed, someone to create a script, sell the movie all around the world, etc. And most likely, for the next project, in this case movie, you will need completely different team members. Plus, most likely you are not going to shoot one movie after another, but rather few of them in parallel. As a consequence, you have to think in terms of more or less permanent engagements. For example, most likely you will rely on a permanent basis for employees dealing with casting actors, finding good scripts and similar, meaning support staff. On the other hand, most of the operating core, meaning actors, will be hired on the project basis, not on a permanent contract. The same would be for many other roles. Once you have well-defined project and hired a team, you have to give power to them, meaning experts to execute the project. It is significantly different to professional bureaucracy since you can't rely on a set of standardized skills common for all professionals from the industry, meaning experts who are familiar with most of the problems and methods. Just recall Avatar. The movie brought to the audience a lot of innovations applied to the film industry. It's the same with famous movie The Matrix from 1999 or legendary Mission Impossible series, and we can go on and on. It's not just about one cluster of employees, in this case experts for special effects, but the entire operating core and midline managers, working together in order to make the breakthrough, meaning an innovation or a piece of art. Most likely, you will see a lot of elements of a matrix organization, experts grouped within functional teams fulfilling their regular day-to-day duties, while jumping occasionally in to help others for the segments relevant for innovation, meaning only when needed. On a movie set, you can recognize specific scenes or project elements where strong cooperation between experts from different fields was required, directly on the ground, from movie director, experts for special effects, actors, stuntmen, costume designers, etc. Instead of a direct supervision, giving orders and control characteristic for managerial roles, here we can find a lot of liaison roles, working teams or units, mutual adjustments and similar. When to use? There are a few important factors that make this organizational type to be the most suitable. For example, environment characteristics. It is the most suitable for complex and dynamic environments since at the core of its design is adaptability, ad hoc teams created for specific projects focusing on innovation. There is no other organizational type that better suits such circumstances. Next, frequent product change. If a company is specialized for producing different outputs, for example, a prototype manufacturer serving needs of others, this is a very suitable organizational form for this. It allows the team members adjustments according to the requirements, to shrink or expand according to the workload, and similar. Potential challenges. For sure, there are at least few strong challenges we have to discuss that are related to this organizational type. Human reaction to ambiguity. Since this type of the company is characterized by deep and fast changes, it affects the team members. Today you are part of the team, but not tomorrow. That forces people to look for a more stable source of income and lifestyle on a long run, to gently say it that way. Efficiency issue. As you can imagine, adaptability requires focus on being flexible, meaning to have some spare resources to be able to react on time when new prospect emerges. In addition, focus on innovation requires to be comfortable with deadlines and experimentation, and that is the opposite of being efficient.